Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix microphone muffled and audio become choppy FaceTime calls on iPhone 11, 12 and 13. Method 1. Disable phone noise cancellation. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tab on Accessibility. Then scroll down and tab on Audio and Visual. After that, turn off phone noise cancellation. Method 2. Reset all settings. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tab on General. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap Transfer and Reset. Then tab on Reset. After that, tab on Reset all settings to confirm your action. Method 3. Update your iPhone. Firstly, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Tab on General. Next, select Software Update. You will see information about latest update, including the version number and detail about what the update will improve. Tap Download and Install and then type your lock screen passcode.